How to add and subtract like fractions. Your earliest introduction to fractions was probably in the form of a pie chart. The numerator, or top number in the fraction, tells you how many pieces you have, and the denominator tells you how many pieces it takes to make a whole pie. Adding and subtracting like fractions works the same as adding or removing slices of pie from the imaginary pie pan. Since like fractions have a common denominator, to add and subtract them, you only need to work with the numerator. Method 1. Adding like fractions. 1. Determine that you have like fractions. Like fractions are fractions that have the same denominator. The denominator is the number below the fraction bar. If you do not have like fractions, you cannot use this method. To learn how to add fractions with unlike denominators, you can read Add Fractions with Unlike Denominators. For example, 38, frac 3, 8, and 34, frac 3, 4, are not like fractions, because they have different denominators. The fractions 38, frac 3, 8, and 18, frac 1, 8, are like fractions, because they have the same denominator, 8. 2. Add the numerators of the fractions. The numerators are the numbers above the fraction bar. For example, if you are adding 38, frac 3, 8, and 18, frac 1, 8, you would first calculate 3 plus 1 equals 4, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 3. Place the sum of the numerators over the original denominator. Do not add the denominators. For example, 38 plus 18 equals 48, frac 3, 8, plus, frac 1, 8, equals, frac 4, 8. 4. Simplify if necessary. For school work, your instructor will most likely want you to simplify, or reduce your fraction. To do this, you need to find the largest number that will divide evenly into the numerator and denominator. Divide the numerator and denominator by this number to find the simplified fraction. For more information on how to do this, read Reduce Fractions. For example, 4 and 8 can both be divided by 4 divided by 4 equals 1, 4, div4 is equal to 1, 8 divided by 4 equals 2, 8, div4 is equal to 2, so, 48, frac 4, 8, simplifies to 12, frac 1, 2. Method 2. Subtracting like fractions. 1. Make sure your fractions have the same denominator. As with adding, this method only works if you have like fractions. Like fractions are fractions that have the same denominator, which is the number below the fraction bar. To learn how to subtract fractions with unlike denominators, you can read Add and Subtract Fractions with Unlike Denominators. For example, 810, frac 8, 10, and 89, frac 8, 9, are not like fractions, because they have different denominators. The fractions 810, frac 8, 10, and 310, frac 3, 10, are like fractions, because they have the same denominator, 10. 2. Subtract the numerators of the fractions. The process for subtracting fractions is similar to the adding process. Your focus will be on the numerators. The numerators are the numbers above the fraction bar. For example, if you are subtracting 310, frac 3, 10, from 810, frac 8, 10, you would first calculate 8 minus 3 equals 5, 8, 3 equals 5. 3. Place the difference of the numerators over the original denominator. Do not subtract the denominators. For example, 810 minus 310 equals 510, display style, frac, 8, 10, comma, frac, 3, 10 equals, frac, 5, 10. 4. Reduce the fraction if possible. This should be your final step when working with fractions, whether you are adding or subtracting. In school, your final answer usually needs to be simplified or reduced. To do this, find the largest number that evenly divides into the numerator and denominator. Divide the numerator and denominator by this number to find the simplified fraction. For more information on how to do this, read Reduce Fractions. For example, 5 and 10 can both be divided by 5 divided by 5 equals 1, display style 5, div 5 is equal to 1, 10 divided by 5 equals 2, display style 10, div 5 is equal to 2, so, 510, display style, frac, 5, 10, reduces to 12, display style, frac, 1, 2. Method 3, Completing Sample Problems. 1. Try this addition problem involving fractions. For lunch, Joellen eats 2 slices of a pizza that is cut into 8 pieces. Christine eats 3 slices of the same pizza. How much of the pizza did Joellen and Christine eat combined? Since the pizza is cut into 8 pieces, 8 will be the denominator for both fractions. Since Joellen ate 2 slices, 28, display style, frac, 2, 8, represents the amount of pizza that she ate. Since Christine ate 3 slices, 38, display style, frac, 3, 8, represents the amount of pizza that she ate. Together, Joellen and Christine at 28 plus 38, display style, frac, 2, 8, plus, frac, 3, 8, of the pizza. Adding the numerators, you get 2 plus 3 equals 5, display style 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Placing the sum of the numerators over the original denominator, you get 28 plus 38 equals 58, display style, frac, 2, 8, plus, frac, 3, 8, equals, frac, 5, 8. So together, Joellen and Christine ate 58, display style, frac, 5, 8, of the pizza. 2. Try this subtracting fractions problem. Evelyn silkscreens a roll of fabric. She cuts the roll into 12 pieces. She sells 5 of the pieces to Catherine. How much of the roll does Evelyn still have? Since the fabric is cut into 12 pieces, 12 will be the denominator for both fractions. Since Evelyn begins with the entire roll, 12, display style, frac, 12, represents how much of the roll she starts off with. Since Catherine buys 5 pieces, 512, display style, frac, 512, represents the amount of fabric she takes away. To find out how much of the roll of fabric Evelyn has left, you must calculate 1212 minus 512, display style, frac, 12, comma, frac, 512. Subtracting the numerators, you get 12 minus 5 equals 7, display style 12, 5 equals 7. Placing the difference of the numerators over the original denominator, you get 12 minus 512 equals 712, display style, frac, 12, comma, frac, 512 equals, frac, 712. So, after she sells some fabric to Catherine, Evelyn has 712, display style, frac, 712, of her fabric left. 3. Try this 2-step adding and subtracting fractions problem. Donna and her friends are collecting a set of baseball cards. Donna has 56, display style, frac, 6, of the cards in the set, with no duplicate cards. She gives 36, display style, frac, 6, of her set of cards to Essie for her birthday. Then Donna gets 26, display style, frac, 6, of the set from Grace in exchange for some candy. What fraction of the full set does Donna end up with? To find out how much of the set Donna has after giving cards to Essie, you must calculate 56 minus 36, display style, frac, 5, 6, comma, frac, 3, 6. Subtracting the numerators, you get 5 minus 3 equals 2, display style 5, 3 equals 2. Placing the difference of the numerators over the original denominator, you get 56 minus 36 equals 26, display style, frac, 5, 6, comma, frac, 3, 6, equals, frac, 2, 6. So, after she gives some cards to Essie, Donna has 26, display style, frac, 2, 6, of the set. To find out how much of the set Donna has after Grace gives her some cards, you must calculate 26 plus 26, display style, frac, 2, 6, plus, frac, 2, 6. Adding the numerators, you get 2 plus 2 equals 4, display style 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Placing the sum of the numerators over the original denominator, you get 26 plus 26 equals 46, display style, frac, 2, 6, plus, frac, 2, 6, equals, frac, 4, 6. So, after she gets some cards from Grace, Donna has 46, display style, frac, 4, 6, of the set. The fraction 46, display style, frac, 4, 6, can be reduced or simplified. The largest number that evenly divides into the numerator and denominator is 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2, display style 4, div2 is equal to 2, and 6 divided by 2 equals 3, display style 6, div2 is equal to 3. So, Donna has 23, display style, frac, 2, 3, of the set of baseball cards after both exchanges. Tips. You can also add or subtract mixed numbers, whole numbers with fractional remainders, using this method, but you must first convert the mixed number into an improper fraction. There's no limit to how many fractions you can add or subtract using this method. You can even add and subtract fractions that have variables in the numerator or denominator, as long as the denominator is the same for every fraction you're dealing with.